Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Adobe Photoshop for your clothing brand. Photoshop is an incredibly powerful tool for bringing your apparel designs to life. It allows you to create stunning, realistic mock-ups, helping you visualize how your designs will look on actual garments. This process is crucial for refining your vision, reducing potential production mistakes, and creating compelling marketing materials. Let's dive into the core concepts and practical steps to master Photoshop for your brand. To achieve professional results, mastering a few key Photoshop tools is vital. Smart objects are your best friend for placing designs, allowing you to resize and edit without losing quality. The warp tool helps your graphics conform to the natural curves and wrinkles of fabric, making them appear truly printed. Additionally, adjustment layers give you fine control over colors, shadows, and highlights, ensuring your design integrates seamlessly with the garment's texture and lighting. Creating effective clothing brand assets involves a clear workflow. Begin by selecting high-resolution blank garment templates, often found as Photoshop document files. Ensure your design elements, like logos or patterns, are also high-resolution and have transparent backgrounds for easy integration. A crucial step for realism is using displacement maps. These files, typically saved as Photoshop document files, distort your design to match the fabric's natural folds and textures, making your mock-ups look incredibly authentic. For professional results, keep these tips in mind. Always design your artwork at 300 dots per inch for crisp, clear prints, especially for items like t-shirts, which often have a maximum print area of 12 by 16 inches. For printing, work in the CMYK color mode to ensure accurate color reproduction. Finally, leverage Creative Cloud libraries to store and share your brand's logos, colors, and fonts, ensuring consistency across all your marketing materials and streamlining team collaboration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.